Yo guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be working on my headlights on my car. I got an MR2. So these are my headlights right here. If you can see, what I was talking about is there's like cracking like right there, and there's just a bunch of marks everywhere. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe for more on my Toyota MR2. I'm gonna be putting a new trunk in. Thank you guys so much for 25 subscribers and 600 views. We're gonna get right into this video. Hope you guys like it and subscribe. All right. So today is the day that we install my new hood, or how I like to call it, my engine lid. I hope it didn't get ruined. You see all like the marks. This is the comparison of the old one versus the new one. This one's got the vents. This one's also got vents, but he's got cooler vents. So this one doesn't also have a brake light, so I don't know if I'm gonna get pulled over for that, but you know, we'll see as it goes along. It's dope from afar, but like when you get up close and you can like even like back here, I don't know.
You need to get his fingerprints off.
Yeah, we need some like, what is that stuff called? The paint toucher upper, whatever it's called, you know?
Flex seal.
Is that what it's called? Flex seal?
I don't know.
Today we got the wheels in for my car. So I had the, if y'all saw 2 videos ago on my first video on YouTube, I had some Enkei RPF 1s in the background. Some of y'all were asking about it, but this is a 4-lug car and the Enkeis are a 5-lug. So I went ahead and returned those, and I got these. And that is the wheel itself. So these are 17 inches, and then the width is 7.5. So this is 0.5 larger than my originals, and 2 inches, whatever that measurement's called. All packed up. Time to get on the road. Here they are, all installed. I'm gonna clean them up right now, but I mean, they look really, really nice. So this is the main part of it. It's got the little Top Speed logo right there. I like the titanium, finish, the blue in the corners. You know, overall, the welding looks pretty good. The piping looks pretty good. And then we got these things, but I forgot the name of it. What the hell? Alright guys, so I think we have to take this off. I'm not really sure. So I don't have a Phillips right now, so sort of working off what I got. And I got a kitchen knife. Nothing's gonna stop me today. So now we have the retarded MR2. You can see he's got a lazy eye here and an eye up here. So he's deformed and retarded. Guys, so before we take out the old exhaust, I want to do a before. So let's get to it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rev it at 3,000 RPMs, 6,000, and then I'm going to redline it, so you guys can have a sound comparison of what the before and after looks like. Yo, what's up guys? Today we're doing something crazy. So there's this part for my car that's not available in the US and never was. It is only available in UK and Japan and everywhere except here. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna go look at one. This part is extremely rare and you have to get it imported from another country, so I'm really happy to get this one. This one has already been in the States for a while, but the guy's selling it and I thought I'd pick it up for my MR2. It would be really, really cool to have that hardtop on there. Finally, here we made it. This is the Baytown police station, and we're gonna be putting the hardtop right back here.
What measurements right or what? We're exactly right. Bye.
Bye, nice to meet you.
Likewise.
That looks so nice, especially from the side. What is this, like a Maserati? Oh my God, is that a new Ferrari coming by? People have been telling me my car looks like a Porsche. Now it's gonna look like a Maserati. Looks even better now. Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be doing the headlights for my car. Like I said a couple of videos ago, I got some new headlights for my car. So, took out the old ones already. We had a little problem with this part. He sent me the version for the 2002 model, and this is the 2003. So the wires are different, so it didn't fit. So I had to wait a week to get the new part, but it's finally in. So we're gonna get to it and see if we got all the wires. They look really, really nice. They're HID with a halo, so it's gonna look really cool at night. And they also turn orange when I'm turning, so it's gonna be really cool to get some rollers of this. So now, let's install them. Itachi's still looking sexy as always. I love Itachi because he did so much for his village and he didn't ask anything for it back. He's the man right there. If I would be anybody in Naruto, it'd probably be Itachi. Because it just looks cool and he's super cool to be friends with. You're gonna try some boy boang and you're gonna tell me if it's good. This is a Filipino.
What is that?
It's a Filipino snack.
Okay.
Alright? So this is what it looks like if you're Filipino, you know what I'm talking about. But if you don't, you better try it. This isn't the garlic flavor that everybody likes, but this is all they had at the store, so I might as well try and give it.
What flavor is it?
Pig.
What the? I look like pork.
Alright, David. Hold your hand out.
Give me a couple.
Man, what the? You made me a big old mess!
Give me a couple.
I can't see, I was on the camera. Alright. Okay?
Alright.
Alright. Alright, guys, so we finally got it plugged in. So now is a moment of truth. We're gonna turn it on, and if it doesn't turn on, I'm gonna cry. But if it does turn on, I'm gonna be really happy because it took a lot of work. It took a lot of work, me and David did it.
Ready? Turn your bunkers.
Alright guys, so we got one bolt in, and we got 4 more to go, or 3 more to go on this side. But this is what it's looking like right now. So high off the ground, but it still looks really nice, so I'm excited. Damn, you're showing your little crack down there, huh?
A little bit more of my crack.
Yo, look, there's a turbo right there. It's twin turbo. What'd you think?
It's pretty crazy.
I know, it's pretty crazy. I also want to say thank you to Severe Sky for sponsoring me. And if you guys don't know who he is, he makes the cool stickers that I have on my car. He makes this sticker, which I absolutely love. It's the mascot for my car. And he also made these in the back. I have more from him, and I'm gonna be filling up the whole back middle. If you stall, you owe me $100. Better not scratch it. It costs $1 million right here.
Shut up, you $25,000. I like your mirror though.
Thanks, bro. That's Kashi right there too.
Did that come in the mirror? Or was it like a
Yeah, come with the mirror. So what'd you think, David? Huh?
I like that Tundra.
No, the manual swap, you dummy, not the Tundra.
I saw the Tundra though.
So guys, we were finally done with the manual swap. It took us 7 weeks, but we are finally done with it, and I'm so happy to get this car inspected and registered so I can drive it normally again without being scared of getting pulled over. Everything's looking good. The 4 little balls are up at top, so that's what I'm gonna be looking at when I'm driving from now on. Now we can attach this thing back here, and we can fit it on the car, and hopefully it's straight. You hear that little clink?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's nice. All right.
Music to your ears.
Yes, music to my ears. So my energy logo, I want it to be facing everybody, so it's gonna be facing this way, so you know, when people look at my car, they'll be like, dang, you got energy. And I'm like, hell yeah, I do. Here, come over here, look at that. Damn. Damn.
All right, so this is what we're dealing with. I left a burger here and it's like, oh my God, dude. There's like 1 million of these dudes. And they're like Roman too.
Today we are going to start on the turbo installation on the MR2. Supposedly it can be the C5 Corvette. We will have to test that. But I'm gonna go get the instruction manual and we can start.
This is not child's play. Do not do it wrong. Cause damage to the engine. Okay, so we better not do this wrong, because I only got 1 engine. The moment we have all been waiting for, here is the Garrett Turbo.
This is 28, so it's not the biggest, but it looks beautiful, and I can't wait to put this baby on my car. So while we were going through this box to find the exact bolts that we need for the turbo, look what we found. You know, they sent us a little treat, so while we're installing the turbo, we don't get malnourished of sugar.
We don't get cranky.
Yeah, we don't get cranky. So we got these beautiful Swedish fish. How many you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, look at it. Get that. Here, you get that side, I get this side. Teamwork. All right, guys, so we are finally done with the turbo install. I didn't update for a little bit because I wanted to get work done and I wanted to try to get it done today. So here is the final product. We got the MagnaFlow muffler. Everything is installed. We almost had a rough day because I dropped one of these bolts in the throttle body tube and it was about to be bad news. But we got it out in time and everything's looking good. We changed the fuel injectors, spark plugs, maybe need to bleed the coolant later, but other than that, I think we're done. Someone else start it. I want to hear the exhaust.
You don't want to start it?
No, you start. I'm too anxious to start it. Damn, son! All the new stickers I put on the car, all the new parts. What's up, guys? So today is the day after, actually today is like a couple days after we finished the turbo install, and now we're about to get it tuned. We are at Gearheads Auto Fab, and my car is sitting right over there. We sold my wheels and the stock ones are back on it. I'm hoping for 200. 198? Oh, holy crap. Numbers keep on going up. He said comes out to 217 so far, and I don't even know if it's gonna get bigger or not, but it's so awesome right now to have actual horsepower. So guys, I just slid for the first time in this car and it was amazing. This car is so fast now. It is so cool. Like I can't even explain how cool it is. We're about to show everybody the car meet and see what they think too.
What the fuck?
So I bought these wheels from Fitment Industries. I like their videos, so why not give them business? So this box right here are supposedly have the black lug nuts, but this one right here is so light. I think it has paper in it. And the sticker right here says made for America, but not made in America. So yeah, I don't know where these were made. Oh, those are badass. Do they really look bad? Dude, those are badass. I really hope they fit. Oh, what was that? Let's keep the sticker on there to show our patriotism. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's moving back, stop it. This looks badass. Look at that fitment. I mean, it's not like perfect fitment, it needs to be lowered a little bit, but those fenders look like they're gonna like tuck right over. Like, looks perfect back here with the stretch. If I lower it just a little bit more, I think it's gonna look so dope. Maybe I'll get air, who knows? Looking pretty mad from the front, a little poke. Damn. Ooh. Dude, that's clean. Dude, we drop it like an inch or something. Dude, tell me that's not gonna look badass. I'm hot boying out today. Damn. That looks awesome. My car is turning out to be the way I really wanted it from when I got the car. Since this is a knockoff crappy kit, there is some gaps, but you know what, who cares? The rear is gonna look super good because it's authentic SARD, but this is gonna have to do for the front. Karina's helping me out today, my beautiful girlfriend, and we're gonna get this done. Karina, I saw that. Don't hit it on the fan again. So we got the double-sided tape on the car. I sprayed it down with that brake cleaner / like degreaser stuff, and it should stick on very well now. I'm gonna do like a couple layers.
Ew. Don't do that. That was uncalled for.
So this is what the full car looks like with the painted body kit. I think it turned out awesome. The new wing is coming in soon, so stay tuned for that, and if you want to see that, subscribe. But damn, does that thing look good. I think I'm gonna do a full cinematic video on the car soon, so give me some suggestions below. I have a 1 of 1, so far at least, 1 of 1 carbon fiber ducktail for my MR2 Spider. I got this all the way from, I think, Taiwan. This guy made it for me. Let's see what it looks like right now. Oh, that is gonna look so dope.